day 3 in Kuala Lumpur. The view is gorgeous. We just went for a swim. Look at that view. So nice. Today we're gonna go to the Genting Highlands. I don't really know much about the place, but we're gonna find out. We met a taxi driver yesterday and he convinced us to have him be our personal tour guide for 180 ringgit per day. Oh look, here's Jenna. Good morning, Jenna.
Good morning.
We're gonna check out this view. So the other day we got yelled at for taking the tripod up to the top of the building that we're in for the Airbnb. And well, I'm kind of dumb, left my tripod right there. And he just walked over here, stared at us and walked away. So I'm excited for today, kind of sad to leave Kuala Lumpur, but I'm definitely gonna come back soon. Our flight is at 8 p.m. tonight, and we get into I think around 10:30. So that'll be interesting. We'll be there for 2 or 3 days. Then we're off to finish off our trip. I'm excited. Let's go. Good view. Look at that. So sick. What's up, Jenna?
What's up?
Chilling. Off to a rough start.
Our boy got here so early this morning. He was supposed to be here at 9:30 and got here at what time?
8:30. So now we're rushing.
Trying not to fall over.
Our boy Isa isn't picking up the phone, so
Looks like it's just trying to flash.
this is our boy. Bye bye. Did you get in touch with him, Jenna?
Yeah,
What did he say?
I'm gonna call him right now.
Okay.
He said, "Excuse me, Jenna, I just woke up. Don't see your call. Where are you?"
Tell him
I said, "Are you ready? Just take my bath."
Everyone, this is our boy Alfred. Good morning.
Hey Alfred, do you know of any places to get good bagels?
So we're with Alfred now. He's waiting to pick up Isa, but Isa's not expecting him, so this is a little awkward.
He's so cute though. This guy is the funniest guy ever. He just like walked right past the security guard like he owned the hotel.
Heading to the Genting Highlands.
We just went out for breakfast. It was unbelievable. I went there so skeptical. Like the littlest hole in the wall place. Didn't really think it was going to be that great, but it was amazing.
Yeah, it was good breakfast. And very affordable too. We spent $3 on breakfast. And now we're on an hour-and-a-half drive.
To the mountains.
With Alfred. And Isa. Ah,
yeah, but what does Batu mean? What does it translate?
Batu means stone.
Ah, okay.
Okay. That makes sense. Stone Cave.
S-T-O-N-E. Tambah 10 ringgit taksi ya.
That's our boy.
He sold it to people.
Bye-bye.
All belong to him.
So Jenna, where are we?
We're at the strawberry farm.
Yes, we're gonna see
We're
some
gonna get hit by
strawberries. and get hit by cars on the way there. It'll be fun.
1 million to buy the whole house.
No, just a video.
The whole unit. The whole unit.
Look how tiny it is.
Do they talk?
Oh, he's already eating.
Do they talk?
Okay, this one can talk, but see the move.
He doesn't have a brain? Poor thing.
Take one picture, nice picture together, can couple photo. That's not allowed, madam. The mobile phone camera not allowed.
Can I touch him?
Hello, camera, no.
I want to see an elephant. This. It's like a rope. It's a rope.
It's a rope. That's a knife.
Sure.
3, 2, 1. Is it good?
I did the same thing earlier.
It's good.
That smells good.
Yeah. Jenna's huge. Finally getting on our flight. You happy, Jenna?
Brian. I'm a little bit anxious, to be honest with you.
Finally made it. This flight is empty right now. These seats are nice. And B.